Because you guys asked, I am going to show you my homeschool mom desk. I'm just gonna back up really quick so you guys can see where it is in our homeschool room. So really quick, the room is not like organized or super duper clean, but this is just the status of the homeschool room right now. So you can tell that it's not a giant space. So when I wanted to get a desk for myself, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't gonna take up too much room and that it was neutral colored, so on and so forth. So I found this desk at Target. I will link it for any of you guys that might be looking. And what I really wanted was just a place to sit down when my kids are independently working, like not in between them, because that's usually where I would sit. And then I also wanted a place to kind of keep my personal work things, keep my computer charging that isn't like in the kitchen on the counter where water could get on it. And then also like when we are doing school, which I'm filming this on the weekend, so there are no school like guides open, but I can set the guides for the kids on there and it's not hogging space on their desk, and they're also not able to look at the guides because sometimes those contain the answers and so on. So right here you'll see that we have our sunlight timeline going. It is very, very full because I'm doing 2 history, Bible and literature. So it's kind of funny because it starts with like before Christ, and then there's like a huge gap, and then we go to like Christopher Columbus. So I just think it's kind of funny, but that's what we're studying, so that's where it is. Up here is just like a little magnetic board. I wanted to put this above my desk for things that I'm invited to, baby showers, little things that I want to look at. A lot of this stuff was already in our homeschool space, so you guys may have seen my favorite little coffee squirrel. He's now right above my desk. And then up here at the very, very top is this cute map of the states we've been to. So traveling with the kids has become a really big goal for our family for the next, years. So we wanted to get that. So now moving on to the desk. This is an old antique chair with an IKEA chair pad on it that matches the ones that are usually on my kids' seats. This little fake plant is from Kirkland's home store. This my sister-in-law got me for my birthday, and this was a picture of us at Disney World this past fall, and I love the succulents on here. Then I have my laptop. This thing is a critical part of YouTube homeschool, so it stays there, always charging because it's always dead. A holiday Scentsy that will not always be there, but I will have some sort of fragrant thing there always. Then here in this little organizer on the top, I am a pen and paper girl. I have told you guys that before. I don't do very much digital organizing. I like the satisfaction of a pen, specifically those kind, and paper. So in here, I just have some like really quick notepads. I write this down like when I need to make a list for that day. I also have this Erin Condren one that is like a daily one. And then I have some planner stickers. I'm not huge into decorating my planner because I need to write a lot of things down and I don't like the space just cluttered up. But I do have some stickers there. This notebook right here is empty, but it will be for budgeting. I do our family finances with my husband in these notebooks. I know it's weird, but yes. This is the current family finance book. I rip out the pages as the months pass. So that's kind of that. This right here is just my personal large notebook. You can see lots of names for an 80-day fitness group I'm running online. So I use that whenever I need to like really organize some things. And then in here, this is my, let's see, this is my 2018 Erin Condren planner. I am gonna do a planner video for you guys because so many of you asked. And then this is my 2015 Erin Condren planner. And you might be wondering why I saved it. Because I wrote down some like really important things in there that I just want to remember. And I had it out to show a friend the layout I had in 2015 versus the layout that I choose now. This is my current Erin Condren planner, and you'll see right there, a planner video film for YouTube. So I always kind of leave this open for the day because I literally don't remember what my life has if I don't look at my planner. So then coming down here onto these little open shelves, I went ahead and put this here. All of this stuff was stuff I had. I just reorganized it. So in here are my Sharpies. Whoa. And then I got this huge pack of Sharpies at Costco. Mom scissors that the kids are not allowed to use. These are chalk markers for a chalkboard. An adapter for my computer, stapler, little post-it notes when I need to leave notes for whatever. And then coming down here, this thing is the best pencil sharpener ever, but it is pretty big. And part of why I wanted a desk was so that could be there, because having that on my kids' desks was so distracting for the kid who had it on their desk because everyone was sharpening their pencils every 5 seconds. So that stays there permanently now. And then over here is just a mixture of things that I need often: tape, whiteout, index cards, clothespins to hang up on the timeline, my hole puncher, printer ink way in the back there. And so those are the 2 shelves. So pretty basic, pretty organized, pretty simple, but nonetheless, really happy with my homeschool mom slash working mom from home desk. And then over there you can see that's our library book basket. And that reminds me I need to return those. So that is gonna be it, you guys, for my desk tour. Like I said, the guides that I have right there are usually on my desk when we're doing school. And I intermittently go from here to there and here to here, and that is just kind of how we work. So if you look at our homeschool room tour, which I'll link, if you haven't seen that, I'm sure you have, but if you haven't, you can see how we kind of reconfigured all the stuff. So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my desk tour. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.